Jamaican software developer wins $600 million court case, then lost it all. Let me explain. This is the dramatic and long-lasting legal battle between Paul Lowe and Paymaster Jamaica Limited, a two-decade-long fight for justice. Let's look into the case of Paymaster Jamaica Limited versus Grace Kennedy Remittance Services Limited and Paul Lowe. Paul Lowe, a Jamaican computer programmer and software developer, found himself at the heart of a storm that would last over 20 years. He was the creator of a revolutionary bill payment software, a development that would embroil him in a legal battle with Paymaster Jamaica Limited, Jamaica's first multi-payment agency. Lowe co-founded Complete Systems Services Limited, CSS, in the 1980s and developed various software programs, including the CSS Remit, which facilitated bill payments. Despite his success, the prolonged legal disputes led Lowe to relocate to Canada, seeking better opportunities and a more stable environment for his work and life. This dispute began in the mid-90s and saw twists and turns that spanned over 2 decades. Let's break down the timeline and the key events that shaped this case. 1994, Paymaster conceptualized a multi-payment software system. Imagine a time when paying bills meant long lines and lots of hassle. Paymaster aimed to change that. 1995, enter Paul Lowe. Paymaster approached him to adapt his existing program, CSS Remit, to meet their needs. It was a match made in tech heaven, or so it seemed. 1996, Lowe completed the initial adaptation of the software, and it was a hit. Paymaster was ready to revolutionize bill payments in Jamaica. 1997 to 1998, further development and testing of the software took place. Everything was looking up. 1999, the plot thickens. Lowe licensed the software to Grace Kennedy Remittance Services Limited, GKRS, a competitor of Paymaster, without their permission. Paymaster felt betrayed. 2000, Paymaster filed a lawsuit against Lowe and GKRS, claiming various breaches. The battle lines were drawn. Paymaster argued that the software was their property. They claimed breach of copyright, breach of confidence, passing off, breach of contract, and inducing breach of contract. Meanwhile, Lowe and GKRS contended that Lowe owned the software and had the right to license it. Fast forward to 2020. The Supreme Court sided with Lowe, awarding him 282 million Jamaican dollars in damages. The award, coupled with interest covering the period from August 25, 2000 to June 11, 2020, amounted to approximately $600 million. It seemed like a victory, but the saga was far from over. The Privy Council, the final court of appeal for Jamaica, affirmed that Lowe had acted honestly and with integrity. But Paymaster wasn't done. They took the case to the Court of Appeal. In a shocking turn of events, the Court of Appeal reduced the damages from 600 million Jamaican dollars to just over 8 million Jamaican dollars. They also ordered Lowe to return $21 million of a $30 million payment he had received from Paymaster. It was a huge blow to Lowe. The Court of Appeal panel found that the financial losses claimed by Lowe did not amount to the extraordinary figures initially awarded. They cited the obsolescence of Lowe's DOS-based software, given the advent of Windows, as a significant factor. Despite this setback, Lowe and his legal team are contemplating an appeal. They argue that the court's decision contains errors that need correction. The battle, it seems, might not be over yet. So, what do you think? Was justice served? Should Lowe continue his fight? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.